Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm E11. Look who I have with me. Maybe not. I have my daughter Zoa with me. What? Boom, boom. Zoa Kaden. Zoa Kaden. Zoa. Zoa hitting the tube today. We are making lemon brownies.
It's going down.
Ah! We're gonna waste no time. We're gonna get right into it. Already drinking the milk. Lemon brownies. What you think?
Good.
She got a little milk. She's like a lemon pound cake to me. Look at that. Good? Lemon brownies. So, if you're lucky like me to get a little edge. Tastes like lemon pound cake. And it's easy. That's bomb.
I think it's awesome, guys. You should try this at home.
So what I'm gonna do, we're not gonna sit here and eat all of these, but what I wanna do is I'm gonna take a lemon wedge and squeeze on it. Wouldn't be me if I didn't. Look at that. What you think?
I think it's really good.
Got a tart with the extra lemon. You know, if you wanted a little more lemon to it, you can add zest, because zest gives that.
A kick. A kick.
Yeah, the zest gives it a kick. Exactly. So good.
I think it's really good. And it has that perfect zing to it. So like when you put the lemon, it just gets a kick and a zing in it. So
She don't like her EMPs. I'm gonna take her EMPs. I'm gonna take her EMPs. You know how the edges of a pound cake? What? You gotta make this for your children, for your kids. So Zoa, how's it being homeschooled?
I think it's good. But other people want to just go back to school. But I think it's good. I don't know. I just think it's kind of cool being homeschooled. Homeschool is kind of like where you don't get to see your friends a lot. But at least you get to chat with your friends on Google Hangouts or Zoom.
Yeah. What's your schedule like during the day?
Well, I get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, and just tell myself that you're gonna get your work done every day. And then you get to do anything you want, basically.
Give it up for Zoa.